For my first review, I'm going to be discussing vitamin B6. Another name for it is pyridoxine, and that's just a supplement name for it. So I pulled all my information from the Consumer and Health Professional Fact Sheet from the National Institutes of Health. So to start off, what is B6? It's a water-soluble vitamin that is needed for over 100 enzyme reactions. It's involved in brain development during pregnancy and infancy, and also immune function. It plays a role in the biosynthesis of neurotransmitters, and that's also how it influences cognitive development. It's involved in gluconeogenesis and glycogenesis and hemoglobin formation. All of these serve as pretty much a representation of the importance of B6 and what kind of role it plays to the body. So with that being said, the functions I just stated is exactly why we should be consuming it, like the proper amounts. And another reason why we should be consuming it, especially during this time, is because it promotes lymphocyte and interleukin-2, which help with immunity. And with COVID-19 outbreak, we all need to be consuming things that help boost our immune system. And I tried to research and find a website that kind of included all the vitamins and minerals we should be consuming during this time. And the one I ended up finding did include vitamin B6, and it just exaggerated more on how it helps our immune system, and at this point, that's what we need to be really pushing for. So it's really uncommon to find anybody who consumes too much, but however, there are individuals that can, and the results from it are very painful, and it can be nausea and heartburn, photosensitivity, and also dermatological lesions, which sound very painful. And so you can also consume too much, but you can also obviously not consume enough. And that is pretty uncommon because it is found in so many foods, especially in the American diet. And after reading over the section on the consumer sheet, I found that 24% of people who do not consume a supplement that has B6 in it, they have been found to have low PLP concentrations, and some of the other symptoms were anemia, which is a lack of red, healthy blood cells, and cracked lips, depression, and also a weakened immune system. So the scholarly article I reviewed was written by David O. Kennedy, and it was titled B Vitamins and Brain Mechanisms, and it just pretty much summed up everything you need to know about B vitamins. And it included a table that just talked about specific risk factors of deficiency for all B vitamins. And for B6 specifically, it included alcohol abuse, age-related malabsorption, and contraceptive medications. My biggest takeaway from all this, I would say, is I've never been the kind of person to research every single thing I put in my body. But after learning more about this particular vitamin and what it does to my body and how it helps it function has really helped me understand the importance of, realizing what you're putting in your body and how it affects it. And after learning all about the dosage and the types of food that are included in it, I've really realized how much B6 I consume. So with that being said, the dosage is 1.5 milligrams per day for women and 2 for men. And some of the foods that are very high in this vitamin include fish, beef liver, starchy vegetables, which are all very much included in the American diet. Bananas were also another good source of it. And I think all of those are very accessible, and all of it's beneficial to our health.